Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max and my viewers and my subscribers. Now, I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Please watch this video without skipping any part. The sum which you are seeing on the board is one of the important sum which you can get in SSC board exam from chapter 1. Okay, so the sum is expand log 343 by 125. So to expand this, we need to take out the LCM or the prime factorization of 343 and 125. So I have already done it. You can see that 343 can be written as 7 cube and 125 can be written as 5 cube. This is in the exponential form. So we will use this and do the sum. So log 343 by 125 is equal to log 7 cube by 5 cube. Okay, here the powers are same. So we can use the law of indices of same power. What is it? Do you know, students? It is a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. That is, here we have bases different and power same. So we can use this law. Okay, so this can be written as log 7 by 5 whole power 3. Okay, now we can use the logarithmic formula of power. What is it? It is log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. So here in place of a we have 7 by 5 and in place of m we have 3. So this 3 it will come beside log. Okay, as it is in the formula. So it becomes 3 log 7 by 5. Now here we can use the other formula of log, that is logs a by b is equal to log a minus log b. That is, whenever division is there, then that division sign it will change to minus with 2 logs. Okay, so remember this trick. If multiplication is there, then it will become plus. So remember these two formulas. These two formulas are very important. Okay, so it can be written as 3 log 7 minus log 5. Okay, while doing the sum you have to write these formulas in the bracket, otherwise you will not get full marks. Okay, now we will do the next sum. Expand log 128 by 625. So we have to do the prime factorization of numerator and denominator. So to expand this again we have to do the prime factorization. So 128 can be written as 2 power 7 and 625 can be written as 5 power 4. So I am substituting those values here. In place of 128 I wrote 2 power 7 and in place of 625 we wrote 5 power 4. In the previous sum we were having same powers, so we used law of indices, but here we are having different powers. So directly we can use the logarithmic formula of log a by b, which is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, so this can be written as log 2 power 7 minus log 5 power 4. Now since powers are there, which formula we will use? The exponential formula of log. Log a power m is equal to m log a. In first case the power is 7. So that 7 will come beside log. 7 log 2 minus next side what we have as a power, we have 4. So that 4 will come beside log. That is 4 log 5. Over. The sum is over. So it is very easy. Just you have to remember the formulas. And don't forget to write it in the brackets. Okay, whatever you are using, you have to write it in the brackets to score good marks. Okay. bit in it is expand log p square into q cube by r. So in the previous sums we were having numbers. So we took out the prime factorization and we have expanded that logs. But here we don't have numbers. We have only variables which are in exponential form. So to do this we have to use these three basic logarithmic formulas. So you have to remember this. What are those? Log a by b equal to log a minus log b. So in this, to remember the division sign, it is becoming what you remember, students. It is changing to minus with two logs. That is in expansion. This division, it is becoming minus, and log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So this multiplication sign, it is changing to plus with two logs whenever it is expanding. Okay, and now log a power m is equal to m log a. So now we'll do this sum. Here it is given as log p square into q cube by r. First of all, it is of the form log a by b. So I'll use this formula. Okay, so it is equal to log p square q cube minus, in place of a we are having this whole term. So I wrote this term here, minus log r. In place of b we are having r. So I wrote r here. So now again what happens? This it is becoming in the form of log a into b. So here what formula we'll use? We'll use this formula. Log a into b equal to log a plus log b. So log, in place of a we have p square. So p square plus, in place of b we are having q cube. So we'll write that here, log q cube. The remaining thing will be as it is, minus log r. Now again what we have? Exponents here. So exponents means what we have to remember? The exponent formula. That is log a power m is equal to m log a. So in place of m, in this we have 2 here. So this 2 it will come beside log. Log 2 log p. Here in place of m we are having 3. So this 3 will shift over here. 3 log q minus log r. Okay. Is it clear, students? So next bit in it is expand log root of x cube by y square. So whenever we have to expand, what we are doing? We are writing this in the form of exponential form. Here what we are having? Square root. So how can we change the square root to exponential form? Do you know, students? That is, square root can be written in exponential form as 1 by 2. If you have cube root, then it can be written as 1 by 3. Okay. So we will use this and write it in an exponential form first. So it is equal to log, whatever is there, that we write in bracket first, x cube by y square. This whole root is there. So we are writing whole root over here. So it is changing to 1 by 2 in exponential form. Now this is of the form what? Which law of indices is used here? It is a by b whole power m is there. So what we can write? We can open this bracket and write it as a power m by b power m. Okay. So this 1 by 2, it will get inside the bracket. Okay. So it becomes log x power 3 whole power 1 by 2 by y square whole power 1 by 2. Now here we cannot cancel because these two are two different things. But here we are having 2 and 2. 2 is in numerator and 2 is in denominator. So we can cancel here. Okay. So this it will become as log x power 3 ones are 3 by 2. by y power 1. 1 means no need of writing this 1 here. Okay. Now it is of the form log a by b. So we'll use that formula here. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So it is equal to log a. So what is a here? It is x power 3 by 2 minus log b. So what is b here? It is y. Okay. Now again, which formula we use here to expand? It is log a power m, exponential formula. Okay. So this m, it will shift here. Okay. M log a. So here what do we have in place of m? We have 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 will come here. 3 by 2 log x minus this log y as it is. So we cannot do anything to log y. So we will copy it as it is. Here we are just shifting this power here. Okay. Is it clear, students? These all are very important sums. So practice it well.